Hello dear friends, Franklin and Mori are here with you, and in today's video we've prepared a little interactive activity for you. As you can see, we have two bowls. In one of them there are balls with currency pairs, and in the other
with trade durations.
we'll draw one ball from the left bowl and one from the right, and then trade according to what we get from each bowl. Let's see how it turns out. Each of us will have a total of 3 trades, and then we'll see who can actually make more money overall. Alright guys, let's get started. I'll go first. I'm drawing a currency pair and a time. So the currency pair is, let me see, GBP out. And the time frame, 1 minute if you could wait.
Alright, go ahead, pick a currency pair.
So the trade will be for a total duration of 1 minute. So where exactly do we see an awesome market and a clear downward trend? Okay, I still have 50 seconds left. I hope this trade closes in profit, because that would be a great start for the video. Oh, do you see these candles, guys? This pair is very volatile. So 30 seconds left. This trade is very risky. Oh no, I think I'm going to start this video with a loss, but that's okay, I'll bounce back in the next trades.
Well, most likely this one's going to be a loss.
And yes, just as expected, but that's definitely okay, you know guys, I'm sure we can make up for our losses. Now it's the C's turn.
So first we have a currency pair. Our first currency pair is Euro GBP. GPI. And the time? Trade time. I have 2 minutes. Let's start by choosing a currency pair. Alright, that's it for now. So overall we can definitely open a trade, and I think I'll go for a put option here. This is because we are seeing a general downtrend, and most likely the chart will continue to keep falling. For now, a new candle is forming for us.
Oh, that's a very good candle.
Friends, I want to remind you, if you want to understand candles better, join our Telegram channel. It's free, by the way. There we provide free signals in our VIP group, offer a free trading bot with profitability over 85%, and most importantly, we have social trading, specifically automatic copying, which means you can fully automatically copy our trades even while you sleep. So if you want to start earning on binary options and learn how they work, join our Telegram channel and don't miss out on this great opportunity.
Alright guys, let's get back to our trade. And as we can see, the chart has started to go up.
For now, yes, we're not in a winning position. How much time do we have left?
50 seconds.
50 seconds. Perhaps the market will still crash and go down in the near future. Down. Down. See, the candles are dropping down. Come on, bro. Lower.
Oh no, that's a very bad candle for us. Only 20 seconds left. 10 seconds. We're in a bad position.
Unfortunately, our trade ended in a loss again. But as you can see, we still have a lot of currency pairs, so we'll make up for our loss and be able to make a profit.
So, it's my turn again. I'm choosing a currency pair and a time frame. So the currency pair is TFDPY. And the trade duration is 1 minute. I've already switched the currency pair to Chai GPI. We'll make a trade that's twice as large to compensate for our losses, and we see an upward trend, so we're making a buy. As we can see, this currency pair is heavily oversold, which means there's a rebound and the chart is turning upward. Okay, so far our trade is going well. We have only 40 seconds left to hold our positions. We can see excellent bullish candles. Come on, grow higher.
You can also see from the CCI indicator how oversold the currency pair was. And here there will definitely be a rebound and an upward movement, which you can see for yourself.
As you can see from this chart.
Excellent bullish candles.
The currency pair was extremely oversold and there are huge price jumps happening. And as we can see, there's a huge bearish candle. But hopefully in the next 10 seconds, nothing bad will happen in time so we can make our money. So there are only 3 seconds left. I think the trade is going to close in profit without any issues. And yes, we lock in the first win. Okay, now it's the C's turn.
Alright, let's get started. Let's pick a currency pair and a time frame. I got the EUR GBP currency pair for this analysis. Now, let's see exactly what time frame I actually need to open the trade for right now. And it's simply 1 minute, so we'll open a trade for 1 minute. So, friends, let's get to trading together. Let's carefully analyze the market a bit and draw some thoughtful conclusions. We see a huge bullish candle, but let's go against the trend and open a trade downwards. Let's watch closely to see how this decision plays out.
Yes, because as we can see from the chart, there are some patterns. This currency pair was extremely overbought, so a reversal should happen.
And as we can see, it's growing steadily. The candle is moving downward. I'm confident that the chart will keep dropping lower and lower because we can see the market is extremely overbought.
So only 30 seconds left.
Just 30 seconds until we make our profit and take all the cash for ourselves right now. The alligator lines are also clearly turning downward on the chart.
Only 15 seconds left, Mori.
Well, as we can see, the chart dropped sharply and significantly, so as a result, the trade will definitely close down. Yes, and as we can see, we
are making a profit, guys, and we're already in the black from this video. Let's not stop here, we'll keep going.
We've already made up for our losses by now.
So, my last currency pair and time frame. I'm curious to see what I'll get. So I got the currency pair is currently USD JPY and the trade time will be two minutes. So I've already chosen my currency pair and let's get started with trading. First, we analyze the market and see that there's currently an upward trend, so I suggest we go along with it. Guys, and right away we get an upward candle. Great, that's definitely good news for us. As we can see, even though the currency pair is overbought, it keeps rising. Let's go for more upward candles. Oh no, a huge candle down. But it's nothing to worry about, I'm sure things can still change. We still have a whole minute and a half left. We can see that the market is currently very unstable today. There are extremely huge candles both up and down, which is indeed significant. That's why I'm sure that anything can happen today. So the currency pair is oversold right now and a rebound is happening as expected. We can also see that the alligator's mouth has closed and the chart is starting to rise again. Great trend. So, there are only 40 seconds left on the clock. While we're waiting, guys, I want to remind you about our official Telegram channel where you can find free signals, all the latest information about trading and the pocket option platform. Also, guys, we have social trading available. Join it, copy our signals and earn together with us as a team. Nope. So, guys, while I was saying this, we can see that the chart started rising again, just as I predicted, and there are only 15 seconds left. And we're getting these absolutely huge, massive, bullish candles right now. Oh my god, just 10 seconds left. Guys, this is all happening because I told you to subscribe to my Telegram channel. Oh guys, do you see this? Can you believe it? Great, let's take our profit. Oh my god, this feels so good. So the last trade, and now it's time for the C.
Alright, let's take it. The last one. And now, the currency pair we are focusing on is EUR or USD, which is our favorite and also the most popular currency pair. Let's see, I'll have to open a trade for 1 minute, just a single minute. We're about to open a trade now, so please pay close attention as we proceed. Alright guys, it's my turn now. I'm opening my last trade for today. We've decided to take a risk and open a trade for $1,000. Alright, my currency pair is EUR USD. Let's take a look and think about where it's best to open the trade. So overall, I think we can open a trade for an increase. Let's support the upward trend after...
Whoa! Do you see these candles, guys?
You see those reversals, those strong bearish candles. That's why, no matter what, the trade, the chart, and the market are all going to go up now.
I think that we can definitely make a profit here because with this particular trade we'll actually earn a whole $800 in total. So while our trade is still in the green, we can see that there is a slight market correction happening. 3 candles are flat and 1 is starting to grow.
But for now we're making money.
Only 20 seconds left. We just need to hold our positions now. There's nothing difficult about it.
I'm sure this trade will close in profit.
Oh, a very big candle upwards. And... oh, we're just getting our money back. Mori, don't you want to open another trade on this pair? For a minute? After all, we got our money back. In
general, let's open another trade. Why not? Alright, let's open a short position right now in the market. This time now. Because there's still an overall downtrend. And now I think our trade will close in profit because the market is going down. As we can see, that's what's happening right now. Our trade is slowly... the market is going down. And our trade is...
great candle, Mori. Only 30 seconds left. We're holding our positions in the market.
and this trade will definitely close in profit for us. I'm sure of it. I've already earned and lost a lot, so I've developed a good eye for this. I understand all of this now.
Okay guys, only 10 seconds left. The chart is starting to go up a little bit, but I'm quite sure that we'll manage to get our money back eventually. So guys, excellent. $1,800 from a single trade. From
Just one trade, guys. Hey,
in just 1 minute, we made $800. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and this challenge. So guys, our video has come to an end. It was really interesting and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Support us with a like and by subscribing to our Telegram channel. It helps us grow and come up with new interesting ideas for videos.
thank you all friends for your support and for watching. Thank you for subscribing. We worked hard on this and your engagement motivates us to keep going to do more and better. See you in the next video.
Everyone.